Hello, so I'm starting it now. You first of all make round shape like this, as in use your wire to pass bead and tie it like this to form this round shape. So I'm going to be doing it now. In this video, I'm not going to be making this crown full. I'm going to be doing it half, as in I'm starting it from this point here and end it here. It depends the style you want. You can start it from, you can make it round the bead. You can stop it from this side. You can start from here and stop here. You can start from wherever. You can make it round, you can make it half, you can make it short, whichever one. You can make it like this. But I'm not making this one. I'm making it. I'm going to be doing another style. So I've tied the wire on one side. Pass your bead into passing 6. I'll be making this video, this work, step by step for you to understand what I'm doing. So this is the 6 I've take another 6 again and count another 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Sit here and tie it down. Sit. Don't let it to cut. Like I said, you can use fishing line to do that. Now I've done with it. I've done 2 now, as you can see it. This is a 2. So I'm going to be passing another 6. Like I said, this crown, I'm not going to be making it full. I'm going to stop it somewhere here, and it will remain from this side. So it depends. You're going to count it and know whichever place you want it to stop. So I think I'm stopping it here. This is where I marked. I marked it here. This is where I'm going to stop it. So I'm going to be taking another 6 again. I've taken another 6 again and count 1, 2, 3. It passes from there. So tie it. Use wire. I prefer wire. You can use fishing line. That fishing line is too good, but I like using wire whenever I'm making crown. So I've made 3 already, 4. So just like I said, I'm going to be taking 6 round to the place I want it to stop. So this is where I'm ending this one. So see how I will do this step. I'm making 2 steps with this video. So this is the wire here. This is the wire here. For you to start the second step, in case you are doing more than 2 steps, but in this video I'm making 2 steps. So you pass it like this. Take your wire from the place this wire ends. Pass it from the down part here, from this one. Count 1, 2, 3, and bring it there, and bring it out. See how I remove it up. You count from the down. This is where the wire ends, where I want the style to end. You pass it the wire up. Count 1, 2, 3. You bring it out to start the second step. So I'm going to be taking my bead now. Yes, I'm still doing Sorry for that. I'm still taking 6. Don't take 5, don't take 7. It's 6 you'll be taking. Take 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see what I will do here. For the second step, remember I pass the thread from this down. I count the bead from where the wire stops. 1, 2, 3 bead, and bring out the wire from there. And from there I put 6 bead again, and see what I will do. Take that bead to this one here. See the 3, this 3 it's already formed already. From this place, pass it out to this side. See it? See how it's going to be. Hope you see what I'm doing. Please subscribe on this channel to support me on this channel. Like my video, share my video. I've made the second step. See how I did it? This is the first step down, and this up is the 2 step. So the same way you did this, that is how you do every one of them. Now I'm going to take 6 bead again. So I've come to the end of the bead. Like I said earlier, I'm not making it full crown, but you can follow this method to make it full round. If you want it round, you can follow this. This is the same method, just that I don't want to. I'm going to be making the video of that particular one, the full one of it. But in this video, this is the style I'm making. I'll be showing you that I have shown you. So this is how it is. This is 2 step. Give it a try. I follow this method and make it full. Like I said it before, still the same thing, the same way. So this is how to make crown. You can use it to go for traditional marriage, in fact any cultural occasion you use it for. You can use it to go there. So give it a try and see how it looks. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe on this my channel, like this video and share this video. God bless you for watching. I love you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.